Most of the times, I don't think I look that bad, but then as soon as I turn on the camera, I think I look disgusting. Oh my god. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be filming 2 videos today. This one being just a little casual get ready with me. And then I was sent some bikinis from Cupshe that I will be doing later on. My lights are so bright right now, I literally can't even like see. If you can't tell, I just painted my room like yesterday. So it was blue before, and I feel like blue was literally reflecting off of like everything and making myself look blue, like washed out. So yeah, I'm just gonna prime, and I've been using this little mini tester that I have, which is the Professional Benefit Primer, if I have any left. And then I'll just like warm it up with my fingers for a little bit. So I've been having an issue. I just bought a new camera. This is the Canon 80D, which is a very popular camera with YouTubers, and it's like a very nice high quality camera, or it's supposed to be. And like literally, like I watch YouTubers who have the same exact camera and get amazing quality. And then there's me, that every time I upload, I'm stuck with 720p whatever quality, and I never get 1080p, except for one of my videos it like got 1080p and I didn't do anything different. But I do edit with iMovie, so I don't know if that's like an issue, but other people who have 1080p edit with iMovie too. So I still don't know what's going on. So I painted my walls and hoping that it would like help a little bit with the background situation, first of all, because blue was just not looking cute. Let's just say that. So I changed that, and then let me tell you, paint is expensive. I literally spent so much money on just paint. I was pissed. But anyway, I painted my walls white yesterday. Brian pretty much did all of it, and then I still don't know, like, should I buy like a better editing software? Is it my editing software or what? Because like when I rerun my, wow, look horrible. When I rerun like my videos, like I just watch like what I just filmed on my camera, my quality looks amazing. And then when I put it over, like it must be my iMovie, but I don't know, like I'm trying. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying my hardest to get good quality. It's just like, how the hell can I not? I don't know. And people edit with iMovie and get 1080p, which is so frustrating. But if you know, or if you have any suggestions, you should definitely comment down below, because I am all ears. Literally whatever will make my channel look a little bit better, I am down for. So I've just been so frustrated, like I literally started crying because I uploaded a video and it literally looked like trash, like complete crap. It was my Fashion Nova jeans try-on haul. That was a couple days ago. It literally looked like it was filmed with a plastic bag. I don't know, like just horrible. I was so pissed off. I didn't know what to do, because I was like, I just spent so much money on a nice, like supposedly nice camera, which I know this is a very nice camera and it should be able to achieve what I want it to. But, and also if you haven't already, you should go check out, I think I'm gonna start this series on my channel. It's just like me trying weird things, like clothing pieces, but it's not gonna be, you know, like, because obviously there is so many like sexual things out there that people sell, but like I just want to test out, like my first one was with Fashion Nova, and I wanted to do like a brand that was like known to be like super trendy and on all like fashion trends. And I want it to be like, you know, like not like a weird brand, like an actual weird brand. Like I want the brand to be known for like how trendy they are. And then because like I found that and I was like, that is so weird that they would have it, but that's just honestly not my style. So it's weird to me, but it's probably like people would wear it. Like a lot of people were commenting like, oh, you could just wear it to the club. And I was like, that's true. You bitch didn't go there, so stay at home. But yeah, you should go check it out. I will link it right here. I look like a werewolf. I will link it right here for you guys, so go check it out. I don't know, I want to do a lot more stuff. I ordered some stuff from Pretty Little Thing. This will be my first time trying it. Like I've never tried it. So, and I ordered like $5 dresses. So I'm gonna, or like $10 dresses, I think. So I'm gonna make a video on that. I have so many videos coming, but like I have to wait for all of it to get here, which is annoying. I bought this, or I didn't buy this. It got sent to me. This is like that infamous Juno & Co. sponge that Nikki Tutorials like made famous. And they sent me 2 of them. They're actually amazing. Like, it doesn't soak up a bunch of my product like a lot of my other sponges do. And like my face looks so much more like matte. I'm actually really surprised because I used it for the first time last night when I was just going out, and my face literally looks flawless. Like, I'm surprised, a bitch. So I just went ahead and baked my face, so pretty much just set it all. And I just found this as I was cleaning out my makeup. I'm going to be using my Morphe Bronzer to contour and bronze today, hence the name. You can literally use both, bitch. So we're just gonna go like this. I feel like this is really pigmented. Kind of. Okay. I've really been liking a smoked out waterline, and I don't know, it just really makes my eyes pop. Because before I used to hate it because I felt like it made my eyes look smaller and just a lot worse. But I was probably doing it wrong, and I've kind of been getting a little bit better at makeup. You know, like, for as much as I do my makeup, I should be a pro, but you know, I'm not. But I feel like I've just been doing it in a better like technique too. So I'm gonna be doing like more of a darker eye today, kind of more of like a blown out under like waterline. I've been using the James X Morphe palette for that look, which you can literally just use like any black. But yeah. So I just used my Milani Luminoso blush, and now I'm just gonna be setting my face with my Makeup Revolution Sport Fix Fixing Spray. Get it out, Hannah. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a casual brow or more of like a legit brow. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm really tired if you can't tell. I was up at 5:30 with my damn dog, and I went to bed at like 1, so I am just dead inside. So I think I'm gonna be doing like a wing but with eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking this Alamar brush I got in my Boxy Charm. Link in description. You're welcome. And then I'm going to be taking my James X Morphe palette. I think I'm first going to just like map it out to make sure that I like it. So I think I'm going to go in with T, which is just this like little brown one right here. My dog is sitting right underneath, and he keeps farting. So I think I have it mapped out pretty good. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go in with Spooky and try my hardest not to mess it up. I really need to get contacts too because I'm straight up blind, and this is so hard for me to just like have one eye closed. Okay, I'm gonna do the same exact thing on my waterline, and then I'm gonna add some black gel liner. We're gonna see how this turns out. Can't tell if I overdid it. I'm gonna put some highlight on while my lashes dry, and then we're gonna figure out if I look a little bit too emo. I'm taking my Carly Bible palette, whip this baby out, and taking this highlighting shade. One of my all-time faves, honestly. Like, it's just so... I need some mascara. I'm just gonna be taking my It Super Stay mascara. This one is pretty good, honestly. Like, I don't really have a preference in anything, honestly. I feel like once I added mascara, it's not too bad. I am obviously going to be adding some falsies too, because you can't wear this with just mascara. You could, but I don't think it would look that great, to be honest. I'm kind of feeling it. I don't know about you guys, but let me know what you think. I am obsessed with these like cat eye looks, especially if it makes my eyes pop. So I'm gonna be taking, yeah, this is literally the same one, this lip liner from NYX in Dainty Days and lining my lips, and then I'm gonna be taking this matte lipstick from Maybelline. This is in 530 Hot Sand, and using that to just literally cover up the rest of my lips. Bitch, I look like a completely different person. I was talking to one of my friends and I was literally like, she asked me if you think some people like recognize me while I'm out. And I'm honestly probably like, no, because I hardly ever wear makeup. And when I do wear makeup, like, who am I? I look like a completely different person. I'm alright with it. But that was just today's little chatty get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this look. I've really been digging it recently. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I'm sure I will be posting a picture on there as well. It's just at hannahgarske. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, you guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video.